Hey everyone, the Chronicles of AI here. In this video, we're diving into some Age of Empires 2 trivia, particularly focusing on unit upgrades. Some units are notorious for requiring tons of techs and being costly to fully upgrade, while others seem battle-ready from the start. We'll explore the cheapest units to upgrade as well as the most expensive, and throw in a few surprises along the way. I analyzed the total upgrade costs for 85 different units, including all unique units and many generic lines, factoring in how different civilizations might impact these costs. For example, Slav champions are pricier to upgrade due to the additional Druzhina tech. However, this doesn't mean more expensive upgrades make a unit worse. Slav champions, for instance, are formidable even without their unique tech, and they can even outperform Japanese champions in large-scale battles. On the flip side, cataphracts are relatively rare in 1v1 matches due to their high upgrade costs. Surprisingly, they ranked 20th out of 85 in my analysis. We'll start by looking at the cheapest units to upgrade to give some perspective before we delve into the priciest ones. For example, the Turk Elite Janissary is a powerful unit that's relatively inexpensive to upgrade, needing only the Archer armor and Elite upgrade. This makes it a low-maintenance unit that you can deploy quickly, especially in the Castle Age or early Imperial Age. Another easy-to-upgrade unit is the Conquistador, which shares similarities with the Janissary, but requires bloodlines and husbandry. We'll also touch on units like the Malays Elite Karambit Warriors and Elite Battle Elephants, which are cheap to upgrade partly because they lack a relevant unique tech. Additionally, the Bohemian Hussite Wagon is another low-cost unit that doesn't require many upgrades to be effective. As we move up the list, we'll discuss more complex units like the Aztec Monk, which benefits from several monastery techs that boost its HP. Despite these added costs, it remains a relatively affordable unit to upgrade. Similarly, the Persian Elite War Elephant, though expensive to produce, has upgrade costs that are just about average. We'll also consider the Briton Arbalester, Han Paladin, and Byzantine Cataphract, comparing their upgrade costs, which might challenge some popular perceptions. For instance, despite its reputation, the Briton Arbalester is more expensive to upgrade than the Cataphract. Finally, we'll get into the most expensive units to upgrade, starting with the Cuman Kipchak and moving on to units like the Viking Elite Longboat, Briton Longbow, and the Chinese Elite Chuko Nu. We'll explore why these units are so costly to upgrade and highlight the factors contributing to these high costs. So, let's get started with the cheapest units to upgrade and work our way up to the most expensive ones, uncovering some interesting insights along the way. I hope this video gives you something new to consider for your next tech switch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.